Hey everyone, welcome back to the Book Butler. Today, we're going to discuss a game-changing book that can help you build good habits and break bad ones. Atomic Habits by James Clear is a comprehensive guide to making small changes that add up to significant improvements in your life. The power of atomic habits. Atomic habits are small habits that, when practiced consistently, can lead to significant improvements in our lives. The author explains how small changes can add up to big results over time. Part 1: The Fundamentals of Habits. What are habits? Habits as the compound interest of self-improvement. Small improvements over time add up. The difference between goals and systems: goals are outcomes, but systems are the processes that lead to results. The 4 laws of behavior change. 1. Cue, the trigger that initiates a habit. 2. Craving, the desire or motivation behind the habit. 3. Response, the action or behavior itself. 4. Reward, the outcome that reinforces the habit. Part 2: The 4 laws of habit change. 1. Make it obvious. Cue. Habit stacking, linking a new habit to an existing one. Example: after I brush my teeth, I will meditate for 2 minutes. Environmental design, make cues for good habits visible and cues for bad habits invisible. X. Keep healthy snacks on the counter. Implementation intentions, be specific about when and where you will perform the habit, e.g., I will work out at 7 a.m. in the gym. 2. Make it attractive. Craving. Temptation bundling, pair something you enjoy with something you need to do. For instance, only watching Netflix while on the treadmill. Social influence, surround yourself with people who have the habits you want to develop. Identity reinforcement, focus on the type of person you want to become, rather than just the actions. Example: instead of saying, I want to run, say, I am a runner. 3. Make it easy. Response. The 2-minute rule, start with habits that take just 2 minutes to complete. Example: reading 1 page of a book before bed. Automate, use tools like reminders, apps, and subscriptions to make good habits effortless, e.g., meal delivery services for healthy eating. Habit tracking, use visual cues like a calendar to track your habits. This creates a feeling of accomplishment and motivation to continue. 4. Make it satisfying. Reward. Immediate versus delayed rewards, the importance of immediate gratification for reinforcing habits. Example: feeling good after a workout, not just the long-term benefits. Habit tracking and streaks, use visual cues like a chain, e.g., don't break the chain concept to maintain consistency. Reinforce identity, the satisfaction of seeing yourself as a person who achieves their goals and maintains positive habits. Part 3: Advanced strategies for habit formation. 4 to 5 minutes. The plateau of latent potential, habits often don't show results right away. The key is consistency and persistence despite not seeing immediate outcomes. The Goldilocks rule, the idea that habits are most enjoyable when they are at the right level of difficulty, not too easy or too hard. The power of aggregation of marginal gains, small improvements in different areas of life can compound into significant success over time. Part 4: Breaking bad habits. 5 minutes. Inversion of the 4 laws. To break bad habits, you invert the 4 laws of behavior change. 1. Make it invisible, remove cues for bad habits. 2. Make it unattractive, reframe your mindset to see the negative consequences of the bad habit. 3. Make it difficult, add friction to the bad habit, e.g., putting unhealthy food out of reach. 4. Make it unsatisfying, find ways to make bad habits less rewarding, like tracking negative consequences. Environment design for breaking habits. How environment influences behavior and how changing your environment can help you break bad habits, e.g., deleting apps or putting your phone out of reach during work. Conclusion. Recap the importance of small, consistent changes in building long-term habits. Emphasize that the process of habit formation is a journey, and results take time. Encourage viewers to start small, be patient, and celebrate the wins along the way. Final thoughts. Optional call to action. 1 minute. Encourage viewers to pick one habit they want to change or create and apply the principles from the book. Invite them to comment on the video with their thoughts and experiences. Key takeaways. Focus on systems, not goals. Small habits, when repeated consistently, can lead to big changes. Environment, identity, and the 4 laws of habit change are central to lasting transformation. You can break bad habits by reversing the laws of behavior change.